I'm upgrading. I'm going for the BulletPoint phone and iPad mount. I've got an iPad Mini coming, which I'm going to use for navigating on the trails, and I'm going to upgrade from the Rugged Ridge phone mount I've got currently. Stick around, I'll show you how I go. Hi, welcome back to Off the Beaten Track Canada. Anthony here. As you know, I'm doing some upgrade walk-arounds, I do some gear reviews, and I'll do trail rides and stuff, and I'll take you along for the ride. Today I'm upgrading from the Rugged Ridge phone mount I currently have. It's been okay. It's a clean, neat install. However, on washboard roads and some of the trails I've been on, my phone just bounces out and I have to keep adjusting it. I'm just not quite happy with it. It's been great for the price, but I'm going for the BulletPoint, which is similar to the 67 designs and the RAM mounts, etc., with a little ball which you fasten into the dashboard and you attach accessories. I've gone for the standard pack with the phone holder and iPad GoPro holder. We've also upgraded for an iPad or tablet mount, where I can fasten on my tablet so I can use my Gaia Maps. I'm not one for unboxing videos, so here we go. We'll just do a quick unboxing, show you what's in there, show what the packaging is like very quickly, and then we'll get to the meat of it and we'll try and do some setup for you. Instructions, stickers, everyone likes a good sticker, decals as the US, North America call them, and the packaging, I must admit, it's pretty sweet. It's all very well thought out, and there'll be no damage in transit, I can see here. I've had a quick look at the equipment. It's all very it's a steel design, and the balls have got like a ridge to them, so it reduces any kind of twisting inside the mount. More stickers, more instructions. That's the mount for the device, whether it be an iPad, a Galaxy, whatever it is, a tablet device. Again with the arm and the ball mounts. And I went for the extra, slightly longer arm than the one that comes with the mount, because it's not quite long enough. I saw a few reviews and this wasn't quite long enough for what they wanted. So I've opted to go for a slightly longer mount, or slightly longer arm. It's carbon fibre with steel tips, and it looks pretty rugged actually, if I'm honest. This should do the job, should hold up to the trails and hold up to anything I can throw at it. So I'm looking forward to getting this installed. Let's go. Okay, that's removed. Now for the install of the BulletPoint Solutions one. First thing you want to do is make sure you clean out the interior. I've already got the tray out of mine because I had mine out from the previous install. If you haven't done that, then you'll have to take the tray out as well. There's a 7mm bolt that's inside there already, which holds the tray down. It's a factory one. Take that out. Again, I've already done that because that's what's securing my previous one. If it's brand new install, take out the tray, take out this nut, and that's what's going to secure down your mount. There's also some 3M adhesive, so I'll need to remove the backing. Make sure everything's clear of grease and dust inside your tray before you start using this, or it's not going to stick properly. I've cleared mine out. It will fit pretty much like that. Okay. I'm going to put the nut in and the bolt in first. I'm trying not to touch the sides with the adhesive yet until I know I'm in place. Yeah, looks like we're going to be in a good place there. Make sure you get a good connection all around. And tighten up the bolt. Oh yeah, that's insecure. That's a good solid fit. What I like about this mount as well is I can still use this tray for things like cloths, sunglasses, and this day and age, masks. Right, time to put the phone mount on. Okay, there's only two components to this. We've got the arm with the two fasteners on each end. They look identical at the moment, so I don't think it matters which way it goes. And the mount. I'm going to mount the arm to the frame first. I'm not going to tighten it too much right now, but I'm going to try and twist it so I don't see the wing nut when I'm finished. Probably making it look harder than it is. So when I finally adjusted it, nip it up using the provided key, and that's a cigar up. That's it so far. Because I got the extended arm, the longer arm for the tablet mount, I had to get a ball-to-ball adjuster. So this goes from 20mm down to 17mm, so it'll fit into the mount. Because the mount takes a 17mm ball, and if I'm replacing the new arm only comes with the clamps on either end. So I've got a 20 to 17mm ball. I'll fasten that to the mount, and I'll use the longer arm for the iPad. For a simple fit. Just slip the ball through the collar, fasten it on. I'm not going to do it again too tight because I'm going to leave some adjustment. And I'm going to attach the new arm, the longer arm, to this to give me that bit more room here. I may adjust that yet, I'm not sure. Because I've also got a radio mount here, so I don't want to adjust. I don't want to impede the radio. We'll see. So that's the supplied arm that comes with the tablet mount, and I've got the longer arm. You'll see it's longer, but the ends, although the ends are the same, but this one has a ball fitted, and the other one's got the flat attachments just for the holders. Okay, now I've got the longer arm fitted, got the two clamps on top, on each end. I'm going to clamp this onto the bar, onto the ball. I assume you can either have the tablet higher or lower. I'll probably have it lower so I can get, so it's not impeding too much with my driver view. That's just a trial run. I'll give you a closer look. That is solid. That is absolutely solid. That is good. That's a good mount. Okay. That's it. That pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's more of an instructional video, an informative video, and one if you're thinking about getting a dash mount, that was a really good choice for me. It's not the cheapest. It cost, just with the extras I've had to get for the iPad, just under $200 US. As it was, without the extras and without the extra balls and the mounts, etc., the kit, I think it was about $88, $90 US. With the extras I chose to get, yeah, it came to just under $200. That's including shipping and shipping to Canada. Remember, so I'm in Canada, so you can get it cheaper, but it's a good option once it's in there. A little bit more expensive than the rugged ridge, but it's going to be a lot more solid. I quite like what I've seen. Till next time, I'm going to clock off here. For now, I'll say, see you.